Good morning. All right, I have one more Hot Topic Funko item to open. This was 30% off. This was in the Funko section, and I don't know. Technically, you can say I got it free because it was one of those days where you buy two Funkos get one free. So I got a Gremlin Funko, a Jack Skeleton head, and this. So one of them was free. So I don't know if it says the normal price. Normally it's $32.90. It says it should have 4 pieces in here. And I've been looking at it for the last couple trips. So there's always, oops, sorry, hit my tripod. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy a new tripod because if you saw the look of this, I've got it masking taped. It's just falling apart. So anyway, Hot Topic always has something on sale. So I'm in St. Louis, and we have like 3 malls. One mall went out of business, and that had a Hot Topic I used to go to all the time, and that went out of business. Because the mall there wasn't enough traffic to the mall. Because there's too many malls in St. Louis, and it was in a bad area. So in an area I frequent, they made an outdoor like outlet mall, and so I don't really call them they call them outlet malls because they're supposed to be deals, but if you ask me, the prices are the same as a regular store, but whatever. They're pretty cool, and they have a Hot Topic, and that Hot Topic is going strong. It's always packed when I go in there, and they always have some sort of sale. So the sale that when we went, it was buy 2 Funkos, get 1 free. Anyway, I'm just rambling. It's just, I was happy to see a Hot Topic that doesn't look like it's going to go out of business anytime soon. I like Hot Topic. I don't really like the clothes. I'm not into the Hot Topic clothes, but they have the collectibles. I found a lot of really cool Beetlejuice collectibles last year, and they don't have any this year. But collectible-wise, if you like obscure 80s movies, and even like the newer trendy cartoons and stuff, Hot Topic's the place to go. So this is a Funko mystery box, and I just love this box. Isn't this? I'm gonna keep the box for sure. All right off the bat, I see Sandy Claus. I don't have this one. That is cool. So it's Santa Claus, but if you watch the movie, you know Jack calls him Sandy Claus. Oh no! Look at this. I bet this is the dice. Oh my god, this is dice. Okay, so Oogie Boogie has a set of dice, and let's see if they did a good job. Oh my god, they did do an awesome job of reproducing that dice. Okay, you know what? I'm just happy just for the dice. That is cool. That's one of my favorite scenes, the roulette scene in Nightmare Before Christmas. And then this, what is this? A little Funko Racers. I'm not familiar with Funko Racers. If you ask me, Funko makes way too many products and they're oversaturating the market, but they don't care about my opinion. And then this is, okay. All right, so, you know, all the trees that have the different lands, Easter land, Christmas land, Valentine's land. So let's see what I do like these little tins that Funko did. I haven't seen the Nightmare Before Christmas ones, but they have a whole bunch of Disney ones, and I like little collector tins. And then this, I gotta worry about that tape. Okay. We're gonna be able to get it off with that tape right there. Probably not. I don't remember the Disney ones having a tape like that. I'm supposed to get it open. I'm gonna have to like get a knife or something. I'm gonna have to get a knife. Or wait, my fingernails are actually useful for once, besides looking pretty. That worked! My fingernail worked. Okay. I think I'm going to be extremely happy. I am so happy. Look at that. It's a little Jack in the Box. Oh my god. Isn't that awesome? Okay. I love everything in this one. Oh my god, that was a good mystery box. There isn't one thing I don't like. So, line this up. I gotta peel this off. Of course they're covering like the Halloween Town one. Why do they put that huge sticker on it? I mean, seriously. Now I have to spend an hour peeling it off without ruining the tin. That's the only thing I don't like. The sticker. Ugh. But it's a cute tin. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I try to go to the Hot Topic at least once a month to just check out the new stuff. So maybe I'll start recording my hauls if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.